It was easy and quick, without needing a PC. To recover our phone. If we've forgotten our screen lock, pattern, password, PIN, we'll be able to do all of that today in this video tutorial. Without needing a PC. First of all, we're going to watch the video tutorial step by step so you don't miss any details. And can solve this recovery. We're going to put it in airplane mode. Previously, these functions allowed us to do this several times, and sometimes our phone would have some errors and prevent us from accessing our device. But these functions won't work anymore. What we're going to do is press the power button and the volume up button at the same time to turn off the phone. Off. Like. This. Power button. Volume up. It will turn off. Now, what are we going to do? Well, after it's off, press the power button. Count to 3 seconds and hold the volume up button. When you see the logo, release the power button, holding down only the volume up button. Release the power button. You'll then only have volume up to enter recovery mode. In recovery mode, scroll down to Wipe Data. Using the power button, select it. Scroll down and press the power button again to select Wipe All Data. Scroll down and press Confirm. This will automatically format your phone, erasing all data and leaving it like new. Now, press and hold the power button to restart your phone. Wait a few seconds until it boots to the home screen. If you're logged in with your Google account or security account, we'll provide a solution in the first pinned comment of today's post.